Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to DraftKings. It's pretty simple, so let's dive right in. First, you have to open your DraftKings app on your mobile phone, then log into your account. Then at the top right corner, you will find a plus icon. Simply click on it. Then from here in this page, you will find the deposit button in the green color. Click on it and you will find the deposit page from here. You must need to make a deposit by PayPal on the DraftKings to add PayPal to DraftKings. This is the only way to add any type of payment method to DraftKings. You must have to deposit first by the payment method to save the payment method on DraftKings. Now, in the next step, you must need to enter an amount that you want to deposit from your payment method. Then in the payment type, you will find PayPal. Select PayPal and click on continue button at the bottom side, and then you will redirect it to the PayPal page where you just need to enter the PayPal credentials, your PayPal account credentials like your email, your registered email or registered phone number. Then click on next, then enter your password and verify your identity or yourself or to PayPal that you are logging in or you are depositing money from your own account to DraftKings. After completing the deposit process, you will find this type of message prompted on your screen. Click on continue and remember the confirmation number here, and then after completing the deposit process, you will find that PayPal payment method has saved to your DraftKings account. That's how you can add PayPal to your DraftKings account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.